You're investing in Microsoft 365 Copilot to boost productivity and streamline workflows. But without wide-scale adoption and usage, that investment can fall short. In a world where every second counts and productivity is king, isn't it time your technology works as hard as you do? Introducing the Copilot Foundations Quest, a quest designed on the Cognician platform. With 10 daily challenges spread across 2 weeks, your employees dive deep into Copilot's capabilities, from mastering inboxes in Outlook to creating dazzling presentations in PowerPoint. Each challenge is designed to drive adoption, tackling real-world tasks that save time and boost effectiveness. Traditional software adoption methods have failed to drive Copilot usage. The Copilot Foundations Quest empowers your team to explore Copilot's capabilities through tailored, hands-on tasks. Save up to 3 hours per week per employee by streamlining workflows and empowering your team to focus on strategic, high-yield tasks. Motivate employees with badges, certificates, and leaderboards, making learning fun and rewarding. Foster collaboration and peer-to-peer knowledge sharing for a stronger, more connected workforce. With 99% of Quest participants recommending using Copilot, this program is a game-changer for workplace efficiency. Witness measurable growth with our sophisticated analytics and revel in the increased quality and speed of your work. Leverage immediate insights to make data-driven decisions about Copilot deployments and optimize program effectiveness. Boost your team's Copilot usage and unlock greater value for your organization. Contact our Copilot team today to learn more about the Copilot Foundations Quest.